All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So high, high, something that you might have to look up, something above, high. The plane, the airplane, is high in the sky. Yeah. How cool is that? These buildings are high. Yeah. I will climb up a high mountain soon. How cool is that? Oh yeah, it is a high mountain. Yeah, high mountain. High mountain. Yeah. So sometimes I have to climb up the high buildings. Yes, these high buildings all the way to the top. Yeah, the high buildings. I have a high bookcase here. A high bookcase. Yeah. How cool is that? I went to that high mountain last year. Yeah. You see, by being able to climb up a high mountain, it means that I am strong. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. This is the high mountain. Yeah, okay. But do you see that high dune? Do you see that high dune? Yeah, it is slowly moving. Those high walls are difficult to climb up. Yeah. Yet I have just climbed up a high mountain. Okay. You might need help walking up the high stairs. They are steep. Steep. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, high. Something you might have to look up. The plane is high in the sky. The tree is high above the buildings. Yeah. The clouds are high in the sky as well. Yeah. How cool is that? So, language explorers, can you use high in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.